anymore. Hey. 6 a.m. run, I'm getting back in the groove. Lost a lot of weight, gained a whole lot of views. It's only one me, it's a whole lot of yous. How everybody broke, but got a whole lot of tools. I'm lost about it, hey. Something feeling off about it. Do niggas make songs with content anymore? Everything I hear about cop and new Dior. Everything I hear about bad hoes and new whips. Everything I hear about yellow bones and blue strips. Is any of it true shit? Does anybody make new shit? These labels couldn't